Hello everyone, today is a sad day. This washer has finally died. Clutch finally went, so I'll kind of show you what's been happening, just so you can see precisely what's going on. So let me try to get my magnet positioned properly. Stay still. Alright, give me one moment please. That was actually a bit worse earlier, but you can kind of hear how it's just spinning around a bit. So it's squeaking without sound. As you can see, the brake doesn't really work terribly well. And now it's just decided to stop. So yeah, we are replacing this machine. We already got one ordered, so you can definitely look forward to that. It will be here this Saturday, so I should have a video up then or Sunday of the first load. I'll be posting a series of teasers on my channel, my community tabs. Make sure to check that out about which machine we are purchasing. And if you guess it correctly, after the first couple teasers, I'll give you in your channel a shout out. So yeah, as you can see now, it's just completely stuck. I'm actually going to try giving it a different cycle to see if that might help with anything. Alright, bear with me while I start it real quick. Sorry, it's tricky with the magnet. So yeah, it is pretty sad to see this one go, since it is what kind of started my channel. But if you're still watching at this point, and I hope you are, I just wanted to say that I'm very thankful for all my subscribers. YouTube recently changed their algorithm. I know with some channels, there's one channel in particular, it goes by Live Each Day. He has a few channels. He lost 96% of his viewers gain growth, money, and subscriber gain simply because YouTube changed their algorithm. And I've actually been affected by this too. In the last year, I've lost about half. And in the last 3 months, I've lost 30% of all of that. So I'd love it if you guys would continue to support me. Maybe give me a bit of a shout out, because I'm going to college soon and I need a new engine for my car. And I want to be able to have more of a motivation to keep uploading. So if you could continue to support me, that would be awesome. I'm thinking about actually starting a Patreon. And once we get the new washer, I'll be posting quite frequently, because there's a lot more cycles and a lot more to go through than this machine. So, yeah, thank you guys. So, the impeller went out about a year ago. I'm sure you all remember that now. I had to fix it. When I saw someone who had the same machine, he said that after that, the clutch assembly started to go. And so I know what's wrong with it, but I'd have to take apart the entire motor to fix it. And I mean, it's already broken anyways, but the problem is, we bought this machine for $600 and the new clutch assembly is $150. And so at that point, getting a new washer just makes the most sense, since this thing is already pretty old. We've had it for 7 years now. But I can hear the squeaking, and in a little bit you'll really see how much it struggles in terms of balancing. Right here you'll probably just see. See that it's really just catching, making a bad noise, and it should be spinning a lot more vigorously than that. You can see that it really doesn't spin too much. Now it's really starting to get off balance. Wow. Probably because there's an empty load though. So as you can see, it is making a pretty nasty noise. So I'm going to put the magnet back and shut off the machine, because it will auto drain on its own. But that's the end of this machine. Had a decent run. I'm looking forward to the new machine, and I hope you guys will too, because I definitely have many videos on that. And I actually just got back from vacation where there was another Kenmore Direct Drive washer. So I'll try to get some videos of that daily or twice a day. But so here it is, the end of this machine. But this new one that we're getting soon, I'm really excited for it, and I hope you all are too. Anyways, that's that. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.